our mind to control our thoughts and choose and select the important one. And how, like this, we are able to even become great communicator, because now we have mastered the habit of selecting the important thoughts while writing. So it is slowest, gradual, and the effective process to become good communicator that is already in you, which is great.
Hello, am
Hi.
I audible?
Yes,
Hi.
yes, you are audible and visible to me. Tell me about myself. Am I audible and visible to you?
Yeah,
Great. Perfect.
you.
Perfect. So, first of all, good morning. Welcome to the session.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
I am doing great.
Hmm. Great. Okay. Since we are meeting for the very first time, so first I would love to know about yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Monica. I am connecting you from the city beautiful Chandigarh.
Hmm.
If you talk about my qualifications, then I have done my post graduation in commerce, and if my areas of interest are traveling, reading, and listening to music. And
Okay.
I am married, and I am a full-time homemaker.
Full-time homemaker. Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Got it. When did you get married?
I have been married since 2001.
Since 2001. Okay. Okay. And when did you complete your post-graduation in commerce?
Yeah, it's in the year 1996.
Okay. In
No,
1990.
98.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay.
Yes,
98. It's been really a long time. Okay.
yes,
If I need to introduce myself too.
yes.
Okay. So, as you know, my name is Rajni Verma. I am from Shri Ganganagar, Rajasthan, that is on the border of Punjab. I have done my graduation in Korean language from JNU. And nowadays, I run a YouTube channel and I provide paid sessions to beginners. And I am aspiring to become an advanced speaker of English language. So in future, I can be a very successful YouTuber and a trainer of the language. And apart from that, if I talk about my hobbies, I love reading books and talking to people. Yeah, that's all.
That's nice.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So it's been really a long time that you completed your post graduation, then you got married, and now full time homemaker. So,
Yes.
what brought you here? Like, why do you want to learn English?
About communication skills.
Hmm.
So, kind of person. So, I love my own company. So,
Hmm.
interactions are very less. So
Hmm.
that's why I am bit free from my responsibilities, that
Hmm.
my son is grown up. So that's why I just want to consume my time in productive things.
Hmm.
So that's why I am here.
You want to spend your time in productive things. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay, so after completing everything, now you are free. So I think you just picked first the communication skill. So may I know from where you got this idea to first work upon communication skills? Because when you are free and when you don't have anything to do, and in order to try something new, there are a lot of other things too. Like if you are very interested in traveling, you could have just started, starting doing the blog and make writing blogs and then traveling to different places. Now you are free, so you can enjoy roaming here and there. In why just learning this English, or why just working upon the communication skills? So why didn't you pick something else, and why only this communication skills?
I feel like that I am not expressing. I am not able to express myself in the effective way.
In an effect.
So that's why I want to work on that.
Okay. Okay. Okay,
This
got
is
it.
the only reason.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So since when have you been working upon your communication skills now?
It's now it's my, I guess, fifth conversation. As earlier, as I said that I am an introvert person, so I'm not comfortable facing camera. It's a
Okay.
bit difficult for me. In my
Hmm.
first conversation, it's very difficult for me to facing camera. So
Hmm.
as in clicking pictures also, na, I'm like that. I'm not comfortable with uh,
Hmm.
what I can say.
I can
I
relate. I
don't
can
know how
relate.
to say it.
Yes, I can relate.
Mm.
I was also a kind of introverted person, so I know how it feels. But one good thing I realized about introverts that they have fear, but they try to fight. They try to become resilient. They try to embrace the changes. As you were also not comfortable, you were not also not feeling confident about coming in front of someone and facing the camera, but you did, and now it's your fifth. So first is always difficult, but once you start doing, your hundredth will be very, amazing. There would be a drastic change in yourself when you do it 100 times. So first always
Yeah.
difficult to, break the barrier and then start something. But I know introverts have the fear, but at the same time, they always try to do it. Always try to overcome the fear as you did, I did. And I met a lot of introverts in this journey, in my own journey of talking to strangers. I met a lot of introverts and they say the same thing first, that it is difficult for them to come and face the camera and then talk to other people, especially in English. But then they do at the same time, they are trying. And I have seen that we accomplish at the end after doing hundreds of these sessions, after talking to people 100 times, we feel confident, actually confident. Okay, so
Yes.
when you
Now I feel
hmm,
pretty comfortable
yes,
over the
yes,
camera. Now it's not like my first conversation
hmm,
that I
yeah,
am very nervous and conscious
hmm,
that how I speak. I don't know what is it. The fear, you can say.
the fear,
Hmm.
yes. Yes, but I'm
Yeah.
happy that at this age, you are still trying to learn something. You are still trying to incorporate something new in yourself, right? This is great. This is amazing. And I want to know, like, with whom did you talk for the very
I
first
think learning is a continuous process
process?
in
Yes.
everybody's life.
Hmm. Yes. And we should
So
always be hungry for that and always.
try to learn new things.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
yes,
So may I know with
yes.
whom did you talk for the very first time for that one first session?
She's Neha Rana. She has
Okay.
not uploaded it yet.
Hmm.
But the second one is with Shanta ma'am. He
Okay.
uploaded it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
They both are good speakers. Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, Neha Rana, I talked to her too, and then with Shanta, I talked her too. Yeah, they both are very nice, good speakers, and even nice people. Yes. Okay. You mentioned that you love to travel. So may I know how many places you have visited?
Yeah. I have visited 8 Jyotirlingas
Oh wow, you are a spiritual person
out
too
of
then.
12. Yeah. Out of 12, I visited 8 already.
Wow, great.
Yeah.
So you said
Now
that
I want to go.
hmm,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, go
Now
ahead.
I want to go northeast. I
Northeast.
want to visit Meghalaya. I want to see the root bridges, the natural root bridges. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So we can say that is your short-term goal to visit the 12.
Yes.
I don't know
A-
exactly
And
about.
after exploring India, I just want to explore the world also. I want to visit 7 wonders of the world. It's
Wow.
my dream destination, you can say.
Wow. Wow. So, do you go with the group of people, or do you go solo
With my family
with
only.
your family? So I think everybody
Yes.
loves traveling in your family.
Yes.
Visiting different people. Okay. So when you visit different people, you must get a lot of foreigners there where you can just have a little chit chat about India, about different places. So did you ever grab the opportunity? Did you ever talk to somebody from outside, like
No, no. As I said, I am an introvert, so I love my own company. I just
Hmm,
want to live that moment, uh,
okay.
that where I was that time.
Okay, yes. That is great, but if
Yes.
you just want to overcome the fear, then not much, but once like when you
Once
see
in a while.
in front of you, and if you see if there is any chance, any opportunity that I can just have 2 to 3 words or 2 to 3 things I can discuss, go there. That will help you overcome the fear a little faster. Otherwise it will take much time, and then yeah, it happens with me
Mm.
too. It was really difficult for me also to go and strike up a conversation with strangers, especially out of country, with foreigners. But I had twice, yeah, till now twice only I had just a conversation with different people, like offline. Online I have talked, but that is, I guess, now easy for me, cakewalk for me to do online, but it is still difficult for me to do it offline. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I am not good at the breaking the ice kind
Yeah.
of thing. I am not good at asking questions,
Hmm.
taking initiatives
Hmm.
to start a conversation.
Yeah, I
Yeah, I'm
understand.
not good
Yeah.
at this. Yes.
Yeah.
I want to, but I don't know. I'm not able to. That
Hmm.
time, what
Yeah, it is
restriction is,
challenging.
I don't know.
It is challenging, but you can do one thing, like once you are preparing to go out, because you always, when you go out, especially for traveling, you must make a proper plan that we will go there and how many days we will stay there. So just prepare a small 5 to 7 sentences in your mind and repeat them again and again and again. Like if I see somebody, I'll ask this: what did you like, or what was new for you, or any difference that you can tell, or anything that you want to ask, like any, like 6 to 7 sentences. Prepare them deliberately, that if I meet somebody, then I'll ask these questions. If not 7, try to
Okay.
prepare 4 questions or 4 statements that you can share with them. That will help you, like
I'll
pre-planning,
try.
preparing
Next
beforehand
time I'll try.
helps.
Definitely try.
Yes, yes. Okay. You mentioned that you love reading books too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so what kind of books do you read?
I love to read autobiographies,
Wow.
biographies of the yes. But
Hmm.
after marriage, I don't get much time
Hmm.
to yes. Now
Yes.
I'm free, so I'm like read 2, 3 pages.
Hmm.
Whatever I time I get, I used to read books.
Okay, so your
I
mother
just
tongue
want
must
to
be Punjabi, right?
yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, basically I am from Punjab.
Yeah, yeah.
After
As
marriage,
you
I
mentioned, you're from
shifted to
Chandigarh.
what?
As you mentioned
Say
that you
again.
are from Chandigarh, so yeah.
Yeah,
Hmm.
it's the capital of Punjab and Haryana.
Hmm. So,
Uh,
do you read in Punjabi, or do you read it all those books in English?
Sometimes in Punjabi, sometimes in Hindi, sometimes in English. In
Great, great. So,
all,
all 3 languages.
not
Hmm. Great,
yes.
great. Okay. Yeah. So, which book?
I just want to. I am like the person who want to grab knowledge from everywhere.
Everywhere.
Uh, it's not like that. The particular field I want to keep myself updated with everything. This is
Everything. Hmm.
yes.
Yes.
Uh,
And knowledge can be grabbed in any language, like if you even read in Hindi, in Punjabi, English, any language. Yeah.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes.
Yes.
And
Okay.
as I am an introvert person, so I wrote my ideas on diaries. So what?
Great. That will help
Yes,
you become good communicator too. You know, the slowest process of expressing our thoughts is writing. I have read it recently. Like the
I
slowest
pen down
process.
everything,
Wow.
everything.
And it
Yes,
is difficult. It is difficult for other people. You know, it is difficult to inculcate the habit of writing every day. But once you start writing, that, you know, the writing trains our mind to control our thoughts and choose and select the important one. And how, like this, we are able to even become great communicator, because now we have mastered the habit of selecting the important thoughts while writing. So it is slowest, gradual, and the effective process to become good communicator. That is already in you, which is great. Yeah. So are you
I
planning to
think
write a book
conversation
too?
is. Yes, what? Say again.
Yeah, I asked, are you planning to write a book too? Like, do you think sometimes like I should write a book?
No, no, not like this.
Okay. But you travel, you know, different places, as you mentioned that you traveled. So you must have a lot of experience now, and you must have observed things very carefully since you are introvert. Second, you enjoy your company, enjoy roaming too, enjoy the, you know, outer world, the nature. So you can share just kind of, you know, your diaries where you can write about travel experiences. That will again very good, right?
I'll think about it.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Okay. Which book are you currently reading?
Now I am reading the APJ Abdul Kalam's biography
Okay, biography. Yeah,
nowadays.
I have. Great one. I also want to read that. Great one. Okay. Um, do you, as you mentioned that you listen to music too. So what kind of music do you listen? It in English or in Punjabi?
No, not in English.
Yeah, Punjabi,
In
I guess.
Punjabi, Hindi, every kind of music.
Hmm.
Like
Okay. Okay.
it
So you don't listen
depends on
English.
my mood.
Depends on your mood. Yes.
Yeah, I don't listen
Hmm.
English. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So what else do you do in English in order to, as you are now focusing upon your communication skills? So recently you have started talking to people and then you read books. What
Yes.
else do you do?
Listening, so many, listening is the main, I think,
Okay. Yeah, listening and you
on
write too.
YouTube.
Yes. So I guess all four
Yes.
aspects you are doing: writing, listening, speaking, and then reading. Great. Mm, okay, but gradually you will be able to improve. You will be able to see a change in yourself if you keep these habits in yourself. Great. Okay. Anything that you want to
According to
ask,
me,
like
conversation is like exchanging ideas.
ideas? Yes.
I just want to take conversation like this.
Hmm.
That
So as you are
I
an
get new ideas.
introvert, so I want to ask you one question, because for introverts, it is very difficult to say these words to others. Like very difficult to say no.
Yeah. Yes,
Right?
yes,
Yes.
yes.
So, what is
For
your
that, na
experience?
people taken as granted.
Hmm.
Yes,
So,
yes.
can you share any
It
experience of
happens with me many
saying,
times.
or maybe if it is difficult for you?
But I think I put everybody before me. I'm like that. I
Hmm.
don't even think about myself. Now I am thinking about myself.
Very late, I guess you started thinking about yours.
Yeah, it's late, but uh, it's it's okay.
Hmm.
So
So, before
that's
you
why
used
I
to take
am
care
doing
of.
the things that I have never done before.
Hmm.
So now I am managing my time. I
Hmm.
know how to do time management.
Ah,
Earlier, I was like go with the flow kind of person.
okay. So how did you
Yeah.
learn time management?
Now, when I was thinking that I have to do something for myself also.
Hmm.
So then I realized that I have to manage my time for myself.
For yourself, yes.
Uh,
Hmm.
It's a term called me time.
Me
Me
time.
time is nowhere from, yes. So
Hmm.
now I am like, this is my me time.
Hmm. I have seen when women become full-time house worker, when they start after marriage, when they start doing household chores and start taking care of their kids, family, they forget themselves and they forget about
Yes,
me time. Even they don't even get that me time in the like in the
yes,
morning and evening already they have to do the stuff, household chores, and in the afternoon also sometimes. Like they need to cook the food lunch, and then if
yes,
family members relatives visit them, then they have to work for like whole day, so they forget that.
yes.
And even
So
nobody reminds.
homemaking is no like uh never ending job, you can say. Yes,
We cannot get the retirement from that.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, we should
But
also make
now I am
plan.
thinking about myself
Hmm.
also.
There should also be a retirement plan for housewives.
Yes. So
I
I
guess.
think that life has no retake.
Hmm. Yes, right. Okay. Do you follow a particularly kind of a morning routine, or like doing yoga, meditation, or exercise in the evening or maybe in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga, meditations. I go to walk regularly.
Okay.
This is
So
my
you go for
routine.
a walk
Yes.
in the evening?
Evening. Yes.
Okay. So you must have joined some kind of club or maybe kind of, because I have seen in big cities like Chandigarh, there are a lot of clubs, different clubs where people participate, especially nowadays for yoga, gym, then for walk. So,
No, I have never joined these kind of clubs and all that. I
hmm,
live in a joint family, so there are lot of work to do.
okay.
So I have no time like that. So
Okay, okay. So, yeah, in Punjab, I have seen like sometimes it is very good to be in a joint family, because you don't become that much of frustrated. You just forget your tensions, your problems easily when you are with family. Your siblings and other family members are there, so you forget, you just participate in the conversation. Whatever you are doing, you do together. But sometimes then
yeah,
again, as you mentioned, that there is no me time then in joint families.
yeah.
Yeah.
Everything has like pros and cons, na.
Hmm.
So everything is not white, not black. It's a gray.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's like that.
Yes.
So hmm.
Okay. Yeah. So, do you have any question for me? If you have any kind of query, you can ask any kind of question.
I just want to ask that what do you think that children are not able to speak English properly? What is the reason in this era? Na? In
Mm.
our times, it's I think what we can say, it's uh, it's not that familiar with. We are not like that. Na, ki English is must. English is must. But now it's must. But
Yes.
still they are struggling with this language. What are the reasons?
Hmm. I think still the lack of awareness is still there. Like in schools, the same thing is still happening. A bit changes I have seen, like some of the trainers or some of the teachers in schools too. They conduct some kind of activities directly in English where they are teaching, how to use preposition when they are just making videos. Like there is a table, and when somebody is putting something on table, they are sharing that is on, that is beneath, that is beside. So like this, I have seen some of the videos, but very few teachers are doing that. Few teachers are actually teaching the language, not the subject. But otherwise, many teachers, I guess, got this awareness that this is a language and we have to teach it as a language, but still they are teaching as a subject because in schools that is a kind of criteria to every student should get this much marks in particular subject in order to be the teachers that what we can say, the teacher also have to show himself very good at this subject, and academically if they are doing good, so the school ranks well in the state or in that. So for that reason, they even despite knowing that it is a language and teach it as a language, still they are teaching as a subject. So the subject again, I think, creates the fear, because the subject doesn't create the environment of speaking. That always creates a fear. I have like I also experienced during school, it was taught as a subject, and then subject created the fear and hesitation in me, not that courage to speak, the courage to express myself in English or get actually what it is. So I think that is still lacking. I think teachers are aware, but they are still not trying to create the environment. Very few teachers are actually doing it. So I think still if there is a the fear is still there, so maybe because of that. um Second thing is, people earlier, as you mentioned, that was not must, and you didn't have much resources to, right, to get the listening practice, then for reading material, then newspaper, everything in English. Now people have every resource, like easy to access, only just with one click they can get everything. But then they don't know how to use it properly. We are confused, like getting a lot of videos now. It is people are just watching one video for 5 minutes then jump to the next video. So even elders are doing this, who are even well aware, they know how to do, they know they want to inculcate this, still they are confused. So for children it is already difficult, because in their age, at the same time they are studying, so study is already burden for them, because study never becomes kind of a fun thing for students if the teacher is not trying to make it deliberately. So again, very that thing for them, so they are not eager or willing to learn English from YouTube. When we adults are now watching videos, but not children. Children are not watching conversational videos, they are watching shorts, they
Yes.
are watching something else there, right? So I think again, the lack of awareness about the resources to how to use them properly. They have resources, but they don't have the proper knowledge how to use it. So I think that is again, if um it can be used in a proper way if only teachers inculcate or introduce those things to students. So ultimately, the thing I think I understand is lack of awareness about everything. There are resources, there are ways now, but people are not aware, or children are not aware. Yeah.
Do you think spoken is different from that reading? Spoken skills are different.
Yes. Different from what? From subject?
Yes.
Yeah, subject itself, it is different. In subject, we just learn the grammar patterns first. But in spoken, we have to learn how to, articulate it in a well manner. So that comes by practicing a lot. So there's a little difference, not much, but uh, for becoming good communicator, for becoming good at spoken English, we first learn the patterns too. If not much, at least a bit knowledge we should have. Like the foundation should be a little strong. like the tenses and then modals, then prepositions. If we know a bit, gradually we can improve in that. Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else? What is your short-term goal, if I ask you?
Goals. I have. I think I have no goals.
I think you just want to be good
I
at
just go with
communicating.
the flow. Whatever comes in my mind, I do that.
Okay, okay, great. Okay. Yeah, now I have another session too. Yeah, it's already 11:45. Yeah. So it was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for connecting to me.
Thank you so much giving me your time. So
Yeah, yeah.
thank you.
Have a great day.
I think we'll
Bye.
meet again. So
Yeah, yeah, sure. Sure.
yeah.
Bye.